So you're using the Horizon theme and you want to create a size chart for your product. Then right here, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can go about and add a size chart like this to your product page on your Shopify Horizon theme. So let's go straight to the video. So I'm going to be teaching you two methods in case maybe you want to add the size charts to, you want your customer to view your size chart in your general product page, okay? Or maybe you want them to view the size chart for each product, okay? So that is what I'm going to be putting you through. Now let's go ahead and get your size chart ready. As usual, you should already have your, your supplier, okay? So you view the size chart and you can easily just screenshot these from your supplier. Maybe you're using AliExpress or anything. You can go ahead and just screenshot the size chart from their store. They already have it there. And maybe you do not have access to something like this. You can also use Canva, okay, to create size charts. So you can just say size chart, whatever it is you're selling, maybe size chart clothing, for example, and it's going to load up, okay, just like this on Canva. And you can see here a size chart. These are nice images that you can easily just click and edit them to whatever it is, and you can download them as an image. So it's the same thing as picture. So you just go ahead and click anyone. Like for example, if I click on this, it's gonna take me. You can see I can customize the template and I can easily use it. And they've got some other recommendations which are down here that you can easily use. I mean, these ones are beautiful that you can just create and you can upload them, and it makes your store look more beautiful, and your customers are happy. The moment you have your screenshot ready, you want to head back to your Shopify and you want to come to your admin. You want to come to your online store and you want to click on pages, okay? Now, what you want to do here is that you want to create a size chart page. You can see I already have mine available, but you want to click on add page. And you want to title it size charts, okay? Just like this, all right? Then the next thing you want to do is just to upload the image of the size charts that you've already created, okay? So you want to come here, click on, you want to add image, but I already have it here. So I'm just going to click this and I'm going to upload. So you want to go to your file manager and just upload that. And once you're done, you can see it right there. Here is the image, okay? So it's now there. And another thing also, you can also create a size chart from your dashboard, okay? I mean, from your manager, okay? So for example, I can just click on this three dotted line and I can click on table, insert table, and I can start creating, okay? I can start editing, but this takes time. If you have the time, you can go ahead to do this, but I do not have the time. So it's better you just go ahead, get the pictures ready and just edit them, all right? So now let's just go ahead and re-upload the image. So now I'm just going to go ahead, click on insert image again, and I will just upload, and now the image is here. So the next thing you want to do is to click make it visible, okay? You want to change it to visibility, click on visible, and you click on save. So the moment you save it, you now have a size chart page in your store, right? Now the next thing you want to do now is to head over to your online store, okay? But I'm not going to save because I already have a size chart already, so I don't want to get two duplicated size charts. But the moment you save it, it's already in your store. So once you have it saved, you want to come here to your themes and you want to come to your Horizon theme. So I'm going to look for Horizon. Right there I have Horizon, a copy of Horizon. It's also Horizon. So I'm going to go ahead and customize. Now, one thing about Horizon is that they don't really have this, catchy products page compared to others, but it's still not bad. So now I want to go ahead to our products. You click on this hover around here, click on products, then click on default products. So right here is our product page. As you can see, I have this product here. So let's say I'm going to add sizes to these. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and you can see here in this section, this layout, you want to click on this product information. Now you just click on the drop down arrow, as you can see right there. Okay, this drop down, this arrow that is facing the right hand, just click on it, let it drop down. Then you want to add a custom liquid to this part. Remember, don't fidget, it's very easy, just a single code and you're good to go. Okay, so even a beginner can do this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the gonna hover around here, okay? Then I click on just hover around the middle section till you're able to see this plus line that is this, and click on it. You want to add a block, not a section. You want to add a block, and you want to click on custom. You want to type custom liquid, and custom liquid is right there. So we want to add custom liquid like that. And now the section, you can see it's already getting visible. So now I want to click on this, all right? The custom liquid, click that. Then I'm going to give you this code right there. There are two codes I'm going to give to you. The first one is for the general product page, which we are doing right now. And the second one is for the each pages. So like each product. So if you want to add views size chart to each product, okay? But if you sell the same product, maybe like the same type of product and they have the same size, you can use this this one that I'm teaching you now, all right? Which is the one that a lot of people are talking about, but they do not teach on this. They don't talk about this each product pages, all right? So I'm going to go ahead now and just copy this. Okay. And once I copy that, you can see the code says Ahrefs pages size chart. So it's going to link to your size chart. Okay. So it's going to link automatically to the size chart. All right. Because you already have the size chart page already. Okay. So whatever it is that your size chart page is, this is it. Okay. So, and in case maybe you have another size chart already and maybe you name it size chart 2, you can just add 2 here. Okay. And you're good to go. All right. But for these, we're just using the size chart that we created. So I'm going to go ahead now, copy this, and I go back to Shopify, where is right here at my product page, and I'm going to paste this. All right. So now you can see view size chart. So now the moment anybody clicks on this, okay, it's going to automatically make them to view the size chart. All right. So you see, the moment I clicked on it, you see it's make them view the size chart. All right. So the thing is that if they're actually looking at it on their mobile phone, it's just going to open in a little pop-up window. But because I'm still in the editor and, my team actually is not Horizon, I'm using the visual team for something. So, but if you're on Horizon, you can easily just view it and you will see it's just going to open in a pop-up window. So that way they don't have to be redirected just like that. But because I am actually in the editor, that is why it's redirected. So this is exactly how you go about this. Okay. And as you can see right here, it's very easy. It says view size chart. So the moment they just click on the size chart, it takes them directly to, it shows the pop-up and it shows the size chart. But what about if you don't? Because right now what we are doing here is the general page. So meaning every product now is going to have the same size chart. So even if they click on any other thing, and they click on this view size chart, it's going to show the same size chart for every product. What about if you want it to be for specific products? Let's go ahead and I put you through on that. So to do that, what I want to do, let me just go back. So now I'm back here in my dashboard, okay, my admin dashboard. So actually add to each product or product pages. What you want to do is you want to come here to your products, okay. Once you're in your products like this, you want to come to you want to select each product. Now the thing about this is that you need to keep adding the size chart manually, okay, because you just have to keep the way you are editing your video, your product. So whenever you are editing them, you need to keep adding the size chart, okay. So it's as simple as that. So let's say I want to add the size chart to this. Now I'm just going to click on this, all right. And once I do that, you can see here in the description, that is where we have to add the size chart. All right. So now, if I want to add the size chart, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go ahead now and change this to HTML. Now, don't fidget. Okay. Don't worry. It's simple. All right. Even if you're a beginner, even if you don't know anything about coding, just follow me along. Now, click on show HTML and you just want to copy a single code. Okay. Right there. That's all. Right. Now, just click here, drop down. Okay. At this just make sure that you drop it down, put your cursor here, then drop it down there, put the cursor to the one, okay, make it be at the top like this, then come here to this code right here, this code here. I'm just gonna copy this, okay, and I'll copy just like this, and I'm gonna paste that code, okay. Now, the moment I paste the code like this, all right, the next thing I want to do is that I'm just going to go ahead and copy the link of the size chart, okay, the image, all right. So what you want to do is that you want to open your Shopify admin dashboard in another tab, okay, or maybe you might have already copied the link for the image, okay, down and paste it in your notepad before you also go ahead to do that. So you're just going to go to content now. You're going to go to files, okay, click on files, and it will take you to your files, okay. And what showing? Okay, so here are my files. Okay, so you want to go ahead and upload. I'm sure you already upload the size chart, the image. Okay, the screenshot of this or whatever. If you've created it with Canva. Okay, so you go ahead and you already upload the file. Okay, so right here is the screenshot. All right, so I'm just gonna hover around there, and here is the link for this image in my store. Okay, so I'm gonna copy the link, then I'm gonna head back to that section, and right here that you see this HTTC, this is the link to the file up to from HTTPS up to PNG. Okay, that is what you want to change. Okay, you just want to highlight only that address, okay, the link, and you want to paste the link of your file. Okay, it's as simple as that. All right, just paste the link of the file which you just copied from your store. Okay, so you see this is simply easy, and you can change it back to editor. All right, now if I should drop down now, it should show my size chart. You see, okay, so now it's showing. So it's now going to be part of the description. So whenever someone is just checking the description of the product, they are going to see the size chart just like this, okay? Either on their mobile phone or whatever, they are going to see it just like this. So the next thing you want to do is to just click on save, and now it's going to be visible, all right? So so just like this, all right? So now if you are using your Horizon theme, you're gonna see it, all right? So although I'm using the another theme, but it's still applicable to anything. So far your team can, you're able to add themes, add descriptions to your product page, then you can actually do this, all right? So now let me quickly just come back to my editor and let me publish the Horizon theme, right? And publish. So let's see. I just want to see how it will look, okay? So now I already have my Horizon theme visible. So if I check that, okay, so now let me go back and view. Okay, so I'm going to come back here now and I hit on view. And right there, you can see, can you see that? So you see now your size chart is available, all right? Now the view size chart, the one of the general products page, you can see there's also, okay, but I actually forgot to remove that. Okay, so you can see now, you can see the view size chart, which is available right here. So the moment they are scrolling, they will see the size charts just like this, all right? So this is exactly how you can go about, adding size charts in your Shopify Horizon theme. And also if there's anything you're using, Horizon, Dawn theme, whatever theme, this method is very much effective. Okay, so anything that you're using, just do this, use the code I've given to you, and you can easily just, edit it and you're good to go. All right. So thank you very much for your time. If this video has been very helpful, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. You need to do that so that you can be notified whenever I drop, outstanding tutorials just like this for you guys, because I've given you 2 methods now for you to be able to add, size charts either in the general product page or each specific product page. This is a video out an outstanding way for you to do this. And also I've even given you another hint on how you can also create your size chart to be much more beautiful. Okay, you can see all this. Imagine if you had all this, any one of these to your product page, it's going to entice your customers to buy immediately. Okay, so these are nice templates that you can use just by using Canva also. Thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. I'll see you in another video. And even if you don't want to subscribe, please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there. And I wish you the best of luck, peace, and have a nice day ahead. Bye.